Cross-pollination is when we know the female parent and the male parent, and we cross the male pollen with the female flowers to get a specific cross, so we are able to control the genetic value of those trees better. Hi, I'm Serena O'Berry. I'm a tree improvement forester, and we are at the Rayonier Ahupi Seed Orchard. We do controlled pollination so we can know the male and the female parent. When we put the bags on, it's to keep outside pollen from being used inside to pollinate that flower. So basically, when we use a specific pollen, we know the male and the female parent, and it helps increase genetic gain. After we've bagged the trees, we continue to check to see when flowers are receptive. Once the flowers are receptive to pollen, we go up, you puncture the bag, and you give it 3 squeezes of pollen to pollinate the tree with whatever specific clone that we have picked out for that other clone. As part of our breeding program, we cross one really good parent together with another really good parent, hoping that their progeny, or the babies off of those 2 parents, will be even better than their parents previously. What's really unique about Rayonier, and what very few other companies actually do, are the internal breeding lines and the internal crosses that we make ourselves. We select for volume growth, height and diameter. We select for resistance to fusiform rust, which is a really bad disease that can cause mortality in our stands. And we also select for straightness to make sure that we can get the highest quality wood possible, as many poles as possible, high salt timber value. We don't do any kind of genetic modification to our trees. All we do is selective breeding, which is basically what Mother Nature would do, kind of survival of the fittest situation, except we speed the process along by artificially selecting what parents we breed to what parents. I love getting to do the research, I love getting to be in a lift, and I really love getting to contribute to that next generation of trees. This is hands down my favorite part of my job.
Today we are collecting pollen and we're bagging some clones that we've never bagged before. So it's very exciting because this is a decade's worth of planning and work, and all of my time for a full year to get ready for it. My name is Austin Smith. I'm the seed production manager for Rayonier. I work in the Genetic Resources Group, and we're a part of the research team. We're at the Rayonier Millwood Seed Orchard. This is where we do controlled pollination operations to produce genetically improved seeds for our nursery. For us, it's very exciting to do controlled pollination operations because we plan all year for this, and the plans that actually are deciding which parents are on the tree right now, they're a culmination of a decade of planning from the original breeding and 50 years of planning for the breeding cycles that are here. So it's very exciting to be a part of it, actually executing those plans. We have research trees where we do a handful of bags that are very specific crosses. Once the trials are completed and we've decided some of the best crosses to make, we then graft those into the orchard where we can do tens of thousands of bags to produce the seed we need to plant those genetics on a landscape level. It's really incredible to be able to actually make it happen when we've spent so much time on paper planning to make it happen.